These are real live people with real live problems, and a lot of times they had the worst of the worst things happen to them, and they're going to have to talk about that in front of a bunch of strangers.
With the largest spotlight of any arm of the Stearns County Attorney's Office, the Criminal Division sees a lot of public scrutiny. From the first moment a suspect's information gets to them, the division goes to work to see what kind of case they can proceed with. The Criminal Division has to try and live within the state-mandated sentencing guidelines allowed for each crime. These guidelines are what helps attorneys decide just what charges a suspect may face. Division Chief Ole Tweeden says they have a charge for trial policy in the office. That means their goal is to make sure things stick.
What that means is if we can prove a case, we charge it. We don't avoid charges, and we don't overcharge people.
The state's guidelines take into account a criminal history score ranging from 0 to 5 and crime severity. On the guidelines, severity will run anywhere from fleeing police to murder. County Attorney Janelle Kendall says it's her office's policy to move each case along as quickly as they can, saying it makes the system work better for both suspects and victims.
A few minutes, maybe a few hours in time. So to be able to get that done, get that handled, so that people can move on with their lives and know what the consequences are going to be, it just makes sense, and it also makes the system work better.
The job of processing dozens of cases a year is split between 17 attorneys. That's over triple of what the Juvenile Division has and double the Civil Division. The Criminal Division also has 11 support staff fulfilling various roles from victim assistance to data analysis. Richard LeGill, WJON.